Understanding the phrase, "Cry me a river." Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll be unraveling the meaning and use of the phrase, "Cry me a river." Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video will enhance your understanding of English expressions and how they're used in everyday conversations. The phrase, "Cry me a river," is an idiom, a type of figurative language that expresses a thought or idea in an imaginative or non-literal way. When someone says, "Cry me a river," they're not asking for a literal river of tears. Instead, they're expressing indifference or a lack of sympathy towards someone's complaints or troubles. It's often used when the speaker believes the person is being overly emotional or self-pitying about a situation that doesn't deserve such a strong reaction. The origin of "Cry me a river" is not precisely known, but it gained widespread popularity after the release of the song, "Cry Me a River," by Arthur Hamilton, famously sung by Julie London in 1955. The phrase and the song suggest a scenario where one person is not moved by the tears or sadness of another, often because of past wrongdoings or overreactions. Understanding an idiom is easier when you see it used in context. Let's look at a few examples. 1. After the breakup. Alice: "I can't believe John is out with friends already after our breakup." Bob: "Cry me a river." Alice: "You were the one who ended things." 2. At work. Employee: "I think I should be the manager." "I work harder than anyone else here." Boss: "Cry me a river." Everyone here works hard, and promotions are based on more than just effort. In these examples, "Cry me a river" is used to dismiss the complaints of the speaker, suggesting that the speaker's grievances are either exaggerated or unjustified. It's important to use this phrase cautiously, as it can be quite harsh and might hurt someone's feelings. It's typically used in informal settings among friends or acquaintances but is generally not appropriate in formal or professional contexts. When using this phrase, ensure that the situation is appropriate and that it won't be taken as offensive or overly dismissive. Today, we explored the idiom, "Cry me a river," its meaning, origin, and usage. Remember, while idioms can add color to our language, they should be used wisely and with consideration of the listener's feelings and the context. We hope this video helps you understand not just the phrase, "Cry me a river," but also the nuances of emotional expression in English. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.